If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to make an app launching at startup on macOS Sonoma. Sometimes you want to save time and have one of two apps to launch on startup. To do this, go to the dock. Now, Control-click on the app you want to launch at startup, and hover over Options in the menu. To set an app to open automatically, put a check mark next to Open It Login. Click that option to check it and enable it from opening. If you want to stop the app from launching on startup, the simplest way to disable an app from launching on startup is from the dock. Control-click on the app and hover over Options in the menu. Apps that are set to open automatically will have a check mark next to Open It Login. Click that option to uncheck it and disable it from opening. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.